guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legend. Today we are here in Watford Gap, nowhere near London, but let's take off at this moment. So it's a bit windy today, so we're right next to the M1 right now, and yeah, I'm nowhere near London right now. I'm in Northamptonshire. Well, yeah, the reason why I'm here is because I'm actually on the way to Leicester, so that's why I'm here. I'm here at the service station, and I thought, let's do a drone flight in this new place. And this drone flight's not going to be that long because first of all it's windy, and second of all I didn't charge it fully with my power bank, so I'll probably fly for like 10 minutes. I'm going to do a 360 photo if it does continue. If it doesn't continue, then I'm just going to forget about the 360 photo. 360 photo is not complete, so let's just zip around this area. I'm not going to go that far because it's too windy. Let's go towards this side. Because it looks like in that area there's a so we should go down there. There's not much to see here. It's pretty much a countryside. I thought I'd get a nice little shot of this area because I'm here and my drone was partially charged. I didn't know how windy it was until now, because it's just a gust. It's just a gust that's hitting us right now, like 15 miles an hour. It's not as fast, but it's just enough to make the drone work a little bit harder. And it's just the gust right now, which happens to be. I waited a bit for the gust to just die down, but it didn't die down. I might do a drone flight in Leicester, but on this weather, I might not do it now because of this wind. So I don't really come out of London, but these are one of the few times I'm out of London, and I thought, let's do a drone flight in different locations. I'm right next to M1, so I'm going to walk away from it. I'm going to walk down towards here because it's a bit cloudy. Not cloudy, I mean what we do, just go down towards here. Yeah, it's a bit. Let's just go down the M1 a little bit quickly. We'll be careful because we don't want to go too far. It's a nice sunny day here. Should we go to the other side, or should we just stay on this side? I might go to the other side. So it's a nice area to fly. We're in Northamptonshire. We're going northbound. We'll just be careful. We won't go too far because we might have headwind problems. So we'll just come back now. Look at that, that's sick, innit? Nice shots here. Let's go to the south side. Yeah, we've got nice heat now. Good thing is that the wind has stopped. It's died down. So yeah, we're near Watford Gap Service Station. I'm not going to fly for that long, but look at that. It's quite mad to get a shot where it's near the countryside. So we've got a car park here, we've got a road chef, And then we've got the countryside. Let's go towards the countryside. And Arthur, should we go southbound? Look at that countryside. That's insane, isn't it? We've got a lot of wind farms in this area as well. We're just going to be careful. We're going to mind where we fly, because if we fly too far, we're going to have problems coming back. Let's check the backside of Watford Gap. And now I'm going to walk down here because I don't want to land in an area where it's like next to the motorway. I don't want to land in the motorway. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, it won't happen. I know. I'll make steps to prevent that anyway. So yeah, we're here in Watford Gap. I'll land the drone in a minute because battery's a bit low. You know, I might just land it now because there's not much to get shots of here. Plus, it's a nice little area here in just literally in the middle of the M1 in Northamptonshire. So just get a quick shot of this area, and I think I'm just going to land it. I'm just going to call it a drone flight. I don't think I'll do a second one today because it's a bit windy. So we're going in headwind right now, so we won't have problems coming back. See, it's a nice little countryside shot. Cars are going at the max speed limit, which is 70 miles an hour. I mean, yeah, I'm standing too close to the motorway and it's quite noisy for the video. My last drone flight, I done it in Feltham in West London. So it's a nice area to fly. Should I try to do a 360 photo again? I might do it. When it's 20%, I'm going to do a 360 photo. Right, let's do a 360 photo quickly, then we'll just land the drone. It was literally right at the end of the 360 photo. You know, it was a good little drone flight. We didn't charge it fully because of the power bank. My power bank was dead. And second of all, it's windy as well, so the battery is going to drain really fast. So let's get a quick shot of this area quickly. I'm just going to use the most of the battery, because I'm probably not going to do a second drone flight today because of this weather. So yeah, we're at Watford Gap. Good little drone flight in this location. Yeah, I'm just going to land it right here now, before the beeping starts, because the battery's, I know the battery's enough, but we literally don't have it's literally too windy. And plus there's not much to get shots of it. Let's just get a quick low down shot in this area. Quickly, look at that. Nice little shot in this area, quickly. Road Chef, we're near Road Chef, which is obviously a service station. Right, so let's just land the drone now in this location. Oh, you can hear it whine pretty much. Alright, so that was my amazing little drone flight here in Watford Gap in Northamptonshire. So yeah, it was a bit windy today, so I couldn't do it for that long today because it's too windy, of course. And yeah, it got a bit cloudy as well, and I didn't charge it fully. So anyway, I'm gonna end this drone flight now, and I'm going to speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.